Meteorology, a frontier. Climate, a crisis. Man-made? Is man able to control the climate and the Earth's weather and so on? That's an awfully big pile of water you've got there. Be a shame if idiots thought that mankind could control it. Check it out. We've got a hurricane here in the South Atlantic. So east of the Caribbean there, we're showing 85-mile-per-hour winds. We're going to shut that down and just look at the surface winds of the Western world. So there are the surface winds of the Western world. Strong winds here once again north of Iceland, making for some cold days in Iceland. The original capital of the Viking Empire. Here are the jet streams of the Western world. Extremely chaotic jet stream flow in the Northern Hemisphere, a little more coherent in the south. Some jet stream blowing backwards over the Central Pacific Ocean. Here are the jet streams of the Eastern world. We've got some backward jet stream over the Western Pacific as well. This jet stream here blowing east to west, while it's normally going west to east. Extreme meridional jet stream flow here over the Northern Pacific as well, around Hawaii. Anyway, continuing on. Here's your weather.gov map. If your county is lit up, please click on it. Again, weather.gov. These are freeze warnings, and these are frost advisories, by the way. It's not even October yet, and we've got the Pacific Northwest freezing and frosting. Must be so hot that it's cold, folks. By the way, reducing tropical cyclone impacts, climate protection through limiting and delaying global warming is a complete nonsensical, farcical fraud of crap. The idea that mankind can control the climate is ridiculous on its face. The idea that hurricanes and tropical cyclones are getting worse as a result of a warmer planet is nonsense. If you think that carbon dioxide is making cyclones more intense, you might be a complete imbecile. Just saying. And if you head to phys.org's Earth section, you will find that it is rife with sharticles like this one, where people who don't understand atmospheric physics at all read the articles and they say, oh my God, we better do something about the climate right now, as if mankind has the capability to control the climate. If you think mankind has the capability to control the climate, please go out on a one-day fishing boat. Get out of the view of land and look around. Look down. Tell me how many thousands of feet of water are beneath you and how much energy it causes. How many calories it requires to heat up or cool down all of that ocean water. It's nonsense. Mankind can't control the climate. Stop suggesting that it can. It's absolutely pathetic. Ignorant, arrogant idiocy is the idea that mankind can control the climate and the weather and so on. I don't want to hear about your geoengineering nonsense or your chemtrails or any nonsense like that. Crack a physics book. Here's your lightning mapper. We've got some lightning moving across Pennsylvania right toward me. Here's lightningmaps.org. It's a real-time lightning map, and we've got terrestrial lightning in Pennsylvania, I think. Give it a minute to connect. We did originally stream this video live. Lightning at Altoona. Hey, Somerset. There's thunder rolling in. Yeah, lightningmaps.org. Were you not aware? It's good times. Let's take a look at some more data here. Here's where pressure cells are currently located. Let's advance this into tomorrow. This is the European forecast for pressure. That's 1300, which is 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Continuing on. Here's your simple water vapor map of the Americas. It's a water vapor satellite, the GOES 16. Great view of that. Shout out to our viewers from South America. Here's the Pacific Ocean in terms of the cloud layer. And a significant equatorial band of clouds there. How about radar.weather.gov? Give it a minute. Again, we are streaming live. And there's your weather.gov map, a little bit of precipitation there in the southern part of Alaska. And some rains moving across Pennsylvania. It's going to be a moist day in Pennsylvania. Yes, I said the word moist. If you don't like it, too bad. We actually did have that queued up during show prep, folks, but it timed out. So anyway, there's the cloud layer over the lower 48. There's the water vapor map. And here's a recap. Quite a bit of rain here, moving into Idaho now. We'll be making it across most of that state throughout the day. Some showers in Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Texas. And some in Louisiana. We hope it's drying up down there. Here's the cloud layer once again. It's the shortwave radiation map. And here is the water vapor. Thanks again for tuning in to our meteorology segment. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.